Hello friends, I am Rudrak Sharma and welcome to my channel JMB Rudrak Science Classes. So friends, today I am going to discuss the most important topic of maths, which is 2D shapes. So friends, 2D shapes have two things, that is perimeter and area. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the boundaries. So this is the perimeter of the figure. And what is area? So area is the space enclosed by an closed figure. So the area inside this closed figure is the area of this figure. So I have taken some figures and I have also written their perimeter and area. So perimeter is written in unit, whereas area is written in unit square. So our first figure is square. So the formula to find perimeter of square is 4 into s. S is the side of the square. As we know that all the sides of a square are equal, so that's why there are 4 sides. So we'll multiply all the sides with 4. So that's why perimeter of square is 4s. And the area of square is s square, which is side square. So I have taken one square to explain it to you. So this is our square and this is the side. This is the square and this is the side of the square. So to find this perimeter, we'll plus all these sides. So we'll not do it plus, we'll straight away multiply it with 4. So it would be the perimeter. And for finding the area, we'll do the square of s. So we would be able to find the area of the square. Our next figure is rectangle. So the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus 2B, which is 2 outside and in bracket length plus breadth. And the formula to find the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So I have again made a figure to show it to you. So as you can see, this is the length and this is the breadth. So to find its perimeter, we'll add this length and this length, which is 2L. And for finding perimeter, we'll add breadth also. So there are 2 breadths. So that's why we'll write 2B. So it would be 2L plus 2B. But in this case, 2 is common. So that's why we'll take 2 outside and inside we'll plus L and B. And to find area of this rectangle, we'll multiply L with B. So by multiplying L and B, we would be able to find the area of rectangle. So our next figure is rhombus. So as we know that all the sides of rhombus are equal, so to find the perimeter of rhombus, same formula would be applied. So to find perimeter of rhombus, the formula is 4 into s. And to find area of rhombus, the formula is 1 upon 2 into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, or we can also do base into height. So I have made a rhombus to show it to you. So to find its perimeter, this is the side of the rhombus, we'll multiply it with 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4s would be the perimeter of this rhombus. And to find its area, there are 2 formulas. One is 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2 or b into h. So first, how to do d1 into d2? First you will write 1 upon 2 and then in multiplication you will write the value of diagonal 1, and again in multiplication you will write the value of diagonal 2. So this would be the area of the rhombus. And next formula is, assuming this as a base, s will multiply base with height. So base into height would be the another formula to find the area of this rhombus. Our next figure is a parallelogram. So as we know that in a parallelogram also 2 sides are equal and 2 sides are equal. It means that opposite sides are equal. So to find its perimeter, same formula would be used as we used in the rectangle. So 2L plus B would be used. Same explanation would be here also, that L plus L would be 2L plus B would be 2B. 2 is common, so we'll take 2 outside and we'll write L plus B. So this would be the perimeter of parallelogram. And to find its area, the formula is base into height. Let's assume this as a base and this as a height. So when we'll multiply base and height, we would be able to find the area of this parallelogram. So our next figure is a trapezium. Formula to find the perimeter of trapezium is very easy. Simply plus all the sides of the trapezium, which is A plus B plus C plus D. And the formula to find area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 into B1 plus B2 into H. So I have again made a trapezium. So here trapezium, that as you know that these all sides would be the perimeter of this trapezium. So to find its perimeter, we'll simply add all these sides. So A plus B plus C plus D. So this would be the perimeter of the trapezium. And area would be 1 upon 2 into, then we'll plus the parallel sides, which is B1 plus B2 in brackets, and outside we'll multiply it with height. So 1 upon 2 into B1 plus B2 in brackets and then into height. So this would be the area of your trapezium. Our next figure is a kite. So to find the perimeter of kite, the formula used is 2 in bracket A plus B. And the formula to find area of kite is 1 upon 2 into D1 into D2. Our next figure is a triangle. So the formula to find the perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C. It means that we have to add all the sides. If it would be an equilateral triangle, then we'll write 3A. If it is a isosceles triangle, then we'll write 2A plus B. And if it is a scalene triangle, then we'll write A plus B plus C. As in scalene triangle, we know that all the sides are different. So that's why we write A plus B plus C. And the formula to find the area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Now I have again made to show it to you. So to find its perimeter, we'll add this side and this side. So it would be A plus B plus C. As we know that the formula to find area is 1 upon 2 into base into height. So we'll write 1 upon 2, multiply it with this base and then multiply it with the height. So the formula to find the area is 1 upon 2 into base into height. And our next figure is the circle. So the formula to find the perimeter of circle is 2 pi r or pi d. And the formula to find the area of circle is pi r square. Again I have made a circle. Now to find its perimeter, we'll write 2, and we know that the value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So we'll multiply it with 22 upon 7 and we'll multiply it with then the radius. So the radius would be given in the question. Or we can straight away do 22 upon 7 into 2 times r, which is 22 upon 7 into d. And the formula to find the area is pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into square of r. So when we'll write 22 upon 7 and square of r, we would be able to find the area of the circle. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get notifications of my future video. Thank you.